Hi, it's Ben from Powered Now here. Now, we're doing a video series on the changes to the tax rules being rolled out by HMRC. We've got a few videos in this series. If you're a VAT registered business over £85,000, I recommend you go and look at the first video. It talks about the change which has already happened. If you're over £10,000 and you currently fill in an income tax self-assessment form, there's changes there as well. MTD for ITSA. Watch the second video in our series. This video, I want to talk about you. So questions which we've had in really asking us about some of these changes. I'm going to focus more about the people over £10,000 because making tax digital for VAT has been here for a while. So again, if you need to know about that, watch video 1 or get in contact with us. We have thousands of people that are currently using Powered Now for their VAT returns. We can help. So we're going to talk mainly about income tax self-assessment and the changes which are happening. So we've had a question. One of the first questions we've had in is help. I don't know much about this. My bookkeeper or accountant sorts it out. Can I do this myself? Answer to that is really simple. Yes, you can. So Powered Now will support MTD for ITSA. Really, HMRC are just interested in 3 things, right? They want to know your expenses and they want to know how much you're invoicing. Once you've got those 2 things, they want to have a quarterly return. So every single quarter, so that's 4 times a year, you have to submit that. And then you have to do an end of year statement as well. So it's not that difficult. And if you're recording everything in an app like Powered Now, actually the numbers just kind of fall out of the back. So you can just press send and it's sent. So it's really quite simple actually. We've had another question. This is somebody who clearly knows a little bit about this. They've asked, what do you do for the year before you register? So let me explain what that question means. So after 2024, all businesses over £10,000 will have to register for making tax digital for ITSA. You'll actually be auto-enrolled at some point in the future if you don't proactively do it as well, if the old system's anything to go by. Which means there's a year where you're starting afresh, but you've also had a previous year. The answer again is quite simple, and there's a bit of admin for this actually. If you're registering for the new MTD for ITSA, you still have to submit an income tax self-assessment form for the previous year. So you have to do that as well. Then you move on to the new system. Again, we can talk you through this. It won't be that complicated. Basically, it means you do what you've always done, and then when the new tax year starts, you move on to the new system. So it's not too tricky. We've had another question about this person said that their bookkeeper and accountant's currently doing it for them. They're on the verge of going over the VAT threshold. Would you recommend becoming VAT registered? Absolutely. In fact, you can pre-register for VAT before you hit that threshold as well. That's got a big advantage that actually for the year, anything you're spending which is VAT registered, you can claim some of that back. This is not tax advice. We're not accountants. Please get some proper advice here. But yes, if you're getting close to that £85,000, actually we recommend that you pre-register for VAT, and then when you go above it, you will move automatically onto MTD for VAT. So there we go. So there's 3 questions. How will this affect you? I hope this has been useful. It's a really quick video. We don't want to baffle and blow people's minds. And plus, I'm talking about tax, right? Nobody really wants to listen to Ben talking about tax for too long. But these changes are coming. And if it worries you, if you'd like to know more about it, or maybe you want to take control, maybe this is the year where actually I'm going to wrestle my business back from the expensive bookkeeper or accountant, and you want to do it yourself, actually with Powered Now, you can. It's going to be very, very simple. So get in touch, book a demo, we can help you out.